Most peas moved with a straw?
What is this? This is rubbish, guys! Pathetic.
Yep, not exactly the challenge I'd hoped for. But the good news is, if you have these items, you can play along at home. You just move the dried pea from the plate to any container you like, as long as there's a hole no more than 2 centimetres big in the top of it. Simple. And another simple game to play is spotting all my brilliant pea puns. So get counting and see if you've got them all at the end.
Come on, Benshire's moving peas, easy peasy. Yeah? Yeah.
But I'm not alone. Yes, it's CBBC challenge time.
Feeling good?
Nope. To see if they can set a new Guinness World Records title of 27 peas or more moved in 30 seconds.
Peas, jar, jar, peas, peas, jar.
And of course, we couldn't have a record attempt without our competitive legends taking part. They'll have their go soon enough, but it's the turn of me and my pals in Newcastle first. Well, they're certainly eager.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So eager, they've forgotten the rules.
Gonna have one hand behind your back, actually. Yes, sorry, yeah. You can't be touching the straw to start off with.
This is hard.
And it can't just roll in, it has to be placed in.
In a 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, peas.
And we're under starters hors d'oeuvres. Who can get 27 peas or more?
Nice, slow and steady.
That's how it works.
Oh, Johnny's missed picking up the pea completely. Well, that sucks. But so does having the pea and missing the target.
There's a hole in that if you need it. You know? This is nice, it's good, a good rhythm.
Oh, go Bobby! If you're trying this at home, rhythm and speed are key. Check out Dumping Grounds Leanne, very impressive. Casey's looking on, mesmerised. News just in, Aisha's not going to win this race.
Really taking the time over every pea.
Leaving Ricky very little to report on. Oh, Radzy's rushing it. He's not placing his peas close enough to the hole, but still, he's not as bad as Naomi.
Got 10 seconds left.
How'd that happen? Your quib's weighing you down, Cocker.
Time's running out.
Stop.
Oh!
How's it done, Cocker?
He's got 11.
Hooray, you didn't do it. Well done.
All right, let's see you do your worst. 3, 2, 1, go. Oi! Hey, this is a new shirt. Great.
Think we'll call that 0. Daredevil matched my 11.
11 peas. I've no idea how that is in the league table of pea redistribution.
Well, Daredevil, there were higher scores.
13, 15.
Oh, brilliant.
And lower scores.
You got 6.
6.
But is this world record to pea or not to pea? Did anyone get 27 peas or more? No. No! Oh, it's an epic fail in Newcastle Gateshead.
Oh, I'm so ashamed of myself.
My mum's going to be so disappointed. That's the main thing. I'm not going to be able to look her in the eye.
Cheer up, Johnny.